Hello everyone, my name is Jackson Mwangi from Inceptor. We are going to learn how to use SmartClass, how SmartClass works. So ensure that your computer has internet because of this, because SmartClass is a platform that enables users, it enables people to learn and even work online and even earn revenue online. So open your browser. I'm using Chrome for my case. So once your browser has opened, go to the browser's address bar, type www.inceptor.co.ke/SmartClass. Press enter. So it will load the SmartClass page, and you can see as you scroll down, you'll be able to see a list of some courses that have been added. So before even you do anything, we have to start by creating an account. So to create an account, click sign up. You are going to get a registration form where you'll fill in your details. That is your first name, last name, a valid email, and a password. Then you click sign up. Once you have signed up successfully, you click on the login button. So this login button, you now enter the email that you used. Like for my case, I used that. For the password, specify the password. So I can type my own password. So once you have logged in successfully, you're going to get this welcome message. And for students, you simply come to courses, come and specify a category of your choice and the item that you need to learn. But for instructors, click on the instructor link. It will take you to the instructor interface. So we have three navigations on our left. The first navigation, and that is what is loading by default, is the courses. It will show you a list of active courses. That is the courses that have been approved, and students can be able to access them and enroll and pay. We also have the pending courses. These are courses that have been set up by instructors, but they are awaiting approval and evaluation by the Inceptor team. And then we have the draft courses. These are courses that have been set up by the instructor, but they don't appear in pending or active courses category. We have the free courses. These are courses that people can be able to access at no cost. And then we have the paid courses. These are courses that students have already enrolled and paid. So you'll be able to see the course list. So you can select a category of your choice. You can pick status. You can pick the prices. And then you filter. So it will now display the list of courses based on your criteria. We also have the instructor revenue. If you click on that link, it will show you the list of courses that have been enrolled in your account. It will show you the amount that you have earned. It will show you the status and also the option, so you can keep track of your revenue. And also, if you go to the settings, we have the payment settings, where you can either be paid, you can either transfer your money from this platform either to PayPal, that is if you prefer to be paid through PayPal, or you can either be paid through M-Pesa or bank account details. So Let's go to courses. I show you how to set up a course. So for instructors, if you want to set up a course, click on the courses link, then choose add new course. You're going to get this section here. So we have the basic information where you specify the course title or the unit or the subject, what you want. So for example, I can type a course title like web design. Short description. I can type a short description. Maybe you can say introduction to web design. For the description, you now fill in what the learner will be able to accomplish at the end of the day. For example, in this case, we can say something like at the end of this course, the learner should be able to create a professional website from scratch. Category, you come and pick the category which your course falls. Like for my case, this one, it falls under web design. So you go to design, you see web design. Specify the level. My level in this case is beginner, so I'll choose beginner. We also have for intermediate and advanced users, so I can choose beginner. You can also specify the language. For my case, I can specify English. Then you click on next. So it will take you to the requirements. The requirements refers to what the user needs to have, what the user must have in order to qualify for this course. So we can say requirement number 1 must be computer literate. Requirement number 2 must have a PC stroke laptop must have a PC or laptop. Requirement number 3 must use a text editor for coding. Then the last requirement you can say must have a web browser for viewing the results. So we move now to the outcomes. Outcomes simply refer to the units that this person must learn. So we can say something like HTML5, then we can have CSS, then we can have Bootstrap. We go to the pricing. If the course is a free course, if you're not charging anything, you need to check this option. It will automatically disable the pricing option. Otherwise, if you want the course to be charged, you can uncheck that option. So you can specify the course price. I can say 15,000 Kenya shillings. The discounted price, we check whether it has a discount. So the discounted price, we can have something like 4,500, for example. We click next. We go to the media. If you're done a recording of your course, then you need to upload it to your YouTube account, because it is that link that we will use to upload it is the link that you're going to place in the course overview URL section. Otherwise, if you haven't done this, if you haven't done any recording, then that simply means that you have to do the recording first, then you log into your interface and come and add your course here. So YouTube is much easier because each and every user, we believe he or she has a Gmail account, so we'll be able to access YouTube. So you can put the course thumbnail, the icon that you intend to use for your course, a relevant icon. Then you have SEO section, search engine optimization. This actually ensures that your website is ranked, your course is ranked up from your competitors. So you need to put the appropriate meta keywords and the description. So the meta keywords, maybe you can say, I can type something like introduction to web design. The meta description, we can type here, learn how to create a professional and responsive website from scratch within a month. So once you're done, click next. It will take you to finish. Then you click submit. That's all. Your course will be added successfully. So once your course has been added, you can click back to course list. So it will take you to the courses list, and you will see your course being listed as a pending course, and it will also be listed in the categories, so you can specify whatever you want. So if you go to pending courses, I click on pending courses, then it will show you the list of courses that are pending. So once you have added your course, Inceptor team will evaluate. It will evaluate for quality purposes and approve your course. So if your course has been approved, then it will appear as an active course, and if a student pays for that, then it will appear in the paid courses category in your account. Otherwise, once you're done with all the operations, click on this instructor option, click log out, so that anybody else doesn't hack or access your account. Otherwise, thank you very much and see you